Hello, first grade. We are going to get started. I am not going to go through your schedule today because it is the same schedule that you had the last 2 days. Just the only thing that's different is today you will do a Scholastic News, and I would have set it home in your red folder. If you were Group B, you will get it on Wednesday, and if you're Group A, I sent it home in your folder on Monday. Okay, so we're going to do that Scholastic News. All right, for your math today, you're working on subtracting from 6, okay? So just like it shows you up here, they crossed out 3 of them, so they wrote 3, and then it equals 3, so the difference is 3. So 6 minus 3 equals 3. So you're going to work on making some subtraction number sentences of subtracting from 6. So if you'd like to, like the first one, you could do like 6 minus 0 equals 6. I'll keep that there for you, okay? And then you could do 6 minus 1, 6 minus 2. Okay, it's up to you, okay? But each of these should be different, okay? And again, if you just click on the lines, the text box will show up so you can put your number there, okay? It will not show up unless you click right there. And then the next one, you're subtracting from 7. So again, I'll do 7 minus 0 equals 7. And then you can think you could do minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, whatever you would like to do, and then put your answers over here. All right, so ignore this part that says use your work mat. So 7 minus 5, what does that equal? 7 minus blank equals 6. What will we need to take away from 7 to get 6? 6 minus blank equals 4. What will we need to take away from 6 to get 4? And 6 minus blank equals 0. What would we need to take away from 6 to get 0? 7 minus 0, 7 minus 6, and 6 minus 5. The back of your packet, 7 rhinos get a drink from the pond, so you're going to put a 7 right here. 3 of them stop drinking, put a 3 right there. And then how many rhinos are still drinking, and put the number right there. 7 deer are walking in a field, put 7 right there. 5 deer lay down, put 5 right there. How many deer are still walking? So what's 7, take away 5, and put your number right there. That's it for your math, and then you'll go and do some iReady math. All right, this is the book that we read this week, The Darkest Dark, so you're going to go ahead and click play to remind yourself about that book. It was really good. I hope you guys liked it. And then on the next slide, you're going to do a comprehension check. So I put these little red dots here. That's what you can use to mark your answers. So you have one right beside each answer. And then down here has some text boxes for you to write in. Don't worry about this one right here, okay? What was young Chris scared of the most? Having to eat broccoli, scary things in the dark, his dog. What is one way that life was different when Chris was a kid? Only one television for a lot of houses. There were scary things at night. No one really became an astronaut. How did the night sky change after Chris watched the astronauts? It became more powerful and scary. It became lighter because he always carried a flashlight. It didn't change, but Chris and his attitude changed. And then number 4, Chris Hadfield is a famous astronaut. Is that true or false? Number 5 says, write a sentence that informs about dogs. So you're going to type in these boxes and tell me about dogs. The last thing you're going to do today is your Scholastic News. So this is what you use to get onto your Scholastic News so your parents can help you get on the website. Click I am a student, and then this is our class code right here. And that'll get you on there so that you can listen to the read aloud and do any games and stuff with Scholastic. That is it for today. I hope you guys have a great Friday. Bye.